Hello, my name is Metivier, and in this week we'll be going over Milestone 4. I'll demonstrate how I created a player HUD with a health widget. I'll implement a center crosshair, and the health bar will reset after I respawn. Also, I'll implement a score widget, which will give the AI a random name, and then it will also update the score for each AI and the player. And finally, I'll update my repository. Okay, over here on Unreal Engine, I have my level pulled up, and last week I had an issue where the AI wasn't able to start moving until after they had respawned into the map. And thinking on this, I thought if I just have them spawn in the first place, it could potentially solve that problem. So instead of placing them in the map, I spawned them in the map. I did this by editing the spawn point to have an event begin play. So I would just spawn the AI character with the location of the spawners. But when it comes to respawning, I thought it might be a good idea to have them not spawn in exactly the same spot every time. So I added a variable to our AI respawn code where I added the get random reachable points from the actor location. So that way the new location will be within 500 units of the actor location, and the actor location being the respawn point. So that way it gives it a little bit more depth to the game and it makes it a little bit more interesting. Okay, now moving on to the test level, we can demonstrate these functions. So I'll jump into the game, and right away we can see the crosshairs in the center of the screen where I'm able to move and use it as an aiming device. And as I fight this AI here, we'll see who's the victor. It looks like, if we go to it, I did come out on top with a score of 1. And as we respawn, we can see the enemy or AI have varying levels of health as they take damage. And once they respawn, their damage is replenished. There we go, his damage is replenished. That AI over there's damage is replenished. It's kind of hard to tell at this point with this map, but they do not respawn at exactly the same point every time due to that randomization I put on the get actor location function. Okay, over here in the terminal, we'll just navigate to our game location and check the status of the game. As you can see, there are several files that need to be updated and have changed since the last time we committed and pushed the file. Now all these files are staged and ready to be committed. Now that our working tree is clean, we can push the changes to GitHub. And now our branch is up to date and there's nothing to commit and our working tree is clean. Now let's see if these changes are visible at our GitHub page. And over here on GitHub, you can see that a minute ago, we added a file with the commit message week 5 AI and user HUD. That should wrap everything up for week 5. Again, my name's Metivier, and let me know if you have any questions.